Welcome to ICDMAI 2021 inaugural session. Welcome to the inaugural session of the flagship conference of Society of Data Science, ICDMAI, the 5th International Conference on Data Management, Analytics and Innovation 2021. Organizing chairs, Inderjeet Barada and Saptarsi Goswami. The organizing chairs Colonel Inderjeet Barada and Dr. Saptarsi Goswami welcomed the august gathering and announced the conference open. Professor Amol Godse is the president of Society of Data Science and has served as a director of Vidya Pratishtan's Institute of Information Technology, with Baramati, Pune for last 19 years. He has a total of over 25 years of experience in the field of information and computer science and technology, ICT. The president of Society of Data Science S4Ds Professor Amol Godse presented the president's address and emphasized on the need on more interactions academically as well as involving the corporate organizations and industry subject matter experts in the data science domain. Program chairs, Professor Amlan Chakraborty and Dr. Neha Sharma. Program chairs Professor Amlan Chakraborty and Dr. Neha Sharma provided an update on the activities of Society of Data Science S4Ds and also on the journey of the International Conference on Data Management, Analytics, and Innovation, this year being the 5th consecutive year. Introduction of ICDMAI 2021, Professor Amlan Chakraborty. Professor Amlan Chakraborty spoke about the glorious journey of ICDMAI over the last 5 years, wishing a grand success to this year's conference. Dr. Neha Sharma spoke about the participation over the years, which has been seeing a steep rise in academic papers, international speakers, academic presentations and industry participation from all across the world and making it truly international. Glorious journey of ICDMAI over the last 5 years, wishing a grand success to this year's conference. ICDMAI 2021 Abstract Book Release. The Book of Abstracts was released in this virtual ambience with accolades from the participating audience. General Chair, Professor P.K. Sinha, Vice Chancellor and Director, Dr. S.P. Mukherjee IITNR, Chhattisgarh. Professor Pradeep Kumar Sinha is the Vice Chancellor and Director of International Institute of Information Technology, IIIT, Raipur. Earlier he was the Center for Development of Advanced Computing, CDAC, where he had led national programs in areas of high-performance computing, HPC, grid computing and health informatics. In his address as General Chair for this international conference brought about the focus on the various nuances of data science such as data management, data security in business and research. He highlighted on the data-driven disruptive innovation that is shaping our new world now and for decades to come, which needs to have a collaborative effort from the academicians, industry and government alike. In his address, he pointed us in the right direction, talking on data democratization to impact the humankind in the right manner, involving the data security aspects to build trust. The emphasis on gaining knowledge across various domains is what we take away from his address. Guest of Honor, Professor Anupam Basu, Director, National Institute of Technology, Durgapur. Professor Anupam Basu, currently the Director of NIT Durgapur, is also the Professor at Department of Computer Science, Science Engineering in IIT Kharagpur, India. Previously he has taught at University of California, Irvine and University of Guelph, Ontario, Canada as a visiting professor and have been the Humboldt Fellow at TU Dortmund, Germany. Ravinder Pal Singh, CEO, Mercoda, RHA and Gokaddal. Extel, ex-Cisco executive, Ravinder Pal Singh is a renowned industry thought leader and evangelist in digital transformation areas. A well-known expert in smart cities and IoT, Ravinder performed key roles in Dell, Cisco and Wipro earlier. Ravinder has been a very active evangelist in multiple industry and corporate forums. He's a regular speaker and presenter in global conferences and mentor to emerging startups in the digital arena. Mr. Ravinder Pal Singh, a stalwart from the industry who shared his experience on the technology advancements and various different applicable solutions across myriad of opportunities that the world throws at us. He walked us through the digital journey of the past and showed us the vision of the future on data monetization through the 8 C's of data cycle that provided an in-depth insight on data and digital disruption from the industry perspective and bridging the gap digitally. Listening to him is always a pleasure. Chief guest, Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Secretary, Department of Science and Technology, Government of India. Ashutosh Sharma is a secretary to the Government of India since January 2015, heading the Department of Science and Technology, DST, where he helped initiate several new programs related to infrastructure and human capacity building, innovation and startups, R&D in advanced manufacturing, waste processing, clean energy and cyber-physical systems, industry-academia cooperation, science communication, women scientists, and major international collaborations in the areas of priority for the nation. Professor Ashutosh Sharma, Secretary DST, Government of India happily agreed to be part of this flagship international conference of S4Ds, the 5th year of ICRMI, as our chief guest and address the audience. We acknowledge his yeoman service to the nation and to the Committee of the Science and Technology fraternity is beyond praise. His directions in the application of data science in research and development, academia and industry paved the way for this conference. Some of the recent developments across various industry, domains and departments have been driven through his department in the Government of India. His involvement in driving the scientific responsibility has shown us the path to success. And what better day to mention this when the world is seeing us on launching the world's biggest vaccination drive in India. His emphasis on cyber-physical era and the thrust from his side on proliferating the impact across all walks of life through data-driven interventions was highly motivating. It was a pleasure listening to him whilst sharing his valuable thoughts with us. Vote of thanks, Atul Bengeri, Member of Executive Committee, S4DS. Mr. Atul Bengeri proposed the vote of thanks for the inaugural session. Thank you.
Professor Dr. Reggiani Relva Romano has over 30 years of international experience working in technology and innovation. Special Advisor to the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation in Brazil. Worked as Head of Research and General Coordinator at Smart Campus FACENS, a prototype of a smart city inside the college, that received the Top Educational, ABMES and the Innovation GS1 Awards in 2016, Smart City UK London in 2017, Best IoT Implementation Europe EdTechX, Top of Academy/RFIDBR, 2018 and Innova Sadaji at Smart City Business America 2019.
Keynote speaker, Professor Reggiani Relva Romano, Special Advisor to the Ministry of Science, Technology and Innovation, Brazil. Thank you. Sushmita Mitra is an INAE Chair Professor and Fulbright Nehru Senior Researcher at the Machine Intelligence Unit, MIU, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. From 1992 to 1994 she was in RWTH, Aschenn, Germany as a DAAD Fellow. She is IEEE Fellow. She was visiting professor in the Computer Science Department of the University of Alberta, Edmonton, Canada in 2004, 2007, Meiji University, Japan in 1999, 2004, 2005, 2007 and Aalborg University, Esbjerg, Denmark in 2002, 2003. Professor Sushmita Mitra, Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata. Thank you. Dr. Alok Nath De, Corporate VP of Samsung Electronics, South Korea and CTO of Samsung R&D Institute India, Bangalore. Dr. Alok Nath Deo is Corporate Vice President of Samsung Electronics, South Korea and Chief Technology Officer of Samsung R&D Institute India, Bangalore. Dr. Deo has over 30 years of industrial and research experiences including Bell, Nortel, Montreal, Hughes and with ST Ericsson where he was R&D Director and Country Manager. During 2005-11, he has served as visiting adjunct professorship with IIT Roorkee and IIT Delhi. Thank you. Yogesh Kulkarni, Principal Architect, CTO Office, HITs, Pune. Dr. Yogesh Kulkarni has over 2 decades of professional and research work in the field of geometric modeling. For past few years, working on various problems in the domain of natural language processing using machine/deep learning. Currently working as a Principal Architect, CTO Office, at HITs Pune and on sites, conducting meetups and workshops in topics related to data science. Thank you.